Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use N8N with Stripe. So you can automate payment workflows like sending invoices, managing customers, or tracking successful payments without writing a single line of code. Let's begin. Okay, so first of all, we need to quickly understand what we are doing. So N8N is a workflow automation tool, kind of like Zapier, but open sourced and more flexible. On the other hand, Stripe handles online payments and subscriptions. And by integrating them, you can automate a lot of actions. You want to make sure you have both accounts ready for Stripe and N8N, because once you are logged in to your account, I want you to click the plus button, which can be found at the top left corner, and add a new workflow. We're going to create a personal workflow, and from here, I want you to hover to the plus button, which can be found here, or click the add a first step. Here, we need to search for a specific node, and that's going to be Stripe. Type it in and click on it. Now, you see, now, for example, if you wanted to choose the first option, on account updated, or maybe on balance available, it's up to you, or maybe on application fee created. We're going to click that because that will determine the next step, which is we need to select the credential. If you don't have it, you need to create one. But the thing is, as you may notice, of course, we need to select the new create new credential, and then we need to click the secret key. How can you find your secret key? That is the reason why I wanted to let you know that it's mandatory for you to create your Stripe account, because it's very important for us to get that on our Stripe account. So we're gonna go to our Stripe account very quickly. Once you are on the home page of your Stripe account, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the developer. From here, go to the developer settings, because it would forward you all of the information, especially the API keys, standard keys, and of course the secret key. I want you to copy all of these right here. Click to copy. All right, copy it and then go back to your N8N. From here, paste it in. Okay, and then click the save button. All right, now once credential is successfully saved, it is time for you to move forward. From here, just click the execute step. Okay, as you may notice, it automatically customizes the workflow for you right here. And basically that's it for today's video. Now you have a successfully integrated Stripe with N8N to automate your payment processes. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.